Hello, my name is Prem Ranjan. I'm a fellow at Alpha AI. Suppose you are the regional sales head of a large retail chain in the US and you're coming towards the end of the year in which your team has performed really well and exceeded their targets. You want to highlight and showcase your team's achievement to the chief executive officer of your organization. What are the key areas that you would like to do? And what are the key data points that you want to highlight to your executives? In today's short video, we are going to go through a retail store data and we would like to communicate the achievement to our executives. Let's dive into it. Today's problem or the project is looking at the data set, compare the sales of the last month and the Christmas month, and draft a story for your executive highlighting the achievement of the team. Let's review the data first. In this data table, you can see the salesperson and the sales that they were able to achieve in the last month and the current Christmas month. Based on this data, we are going to craft a data story to be shared with our executive. Let's quickly click on the generate email button and see what are the data points we would like to capture. We would like to send a newsletter or an email with the relative data points highlighting the key areas that needs attention. Let's maximize the screen a bit so that we can see the data clearly. Going over the email, you can see the key areas that you would like to highlight is the growth that the company has, the sales team has achieved, which is 15.38% against the target of 12% that was agreed as part of the last discussions. Then we change our focus to the key performance indicator. We highlight the total sales in the Christmas month, which is 150K USD, which is a growth of 15.38%. We also highlight a top salesperson by sales volume. This is someone who is bringing the highest volume of sales, which is A1. And he was able to achieve a target of, achieve a sales of $38,000 in just 1 month. Next, we would like to highlight the person who has shown a tremendous growth in his performance. In this case, it is P1 who has shown a growth of 450% on his sales. We'll quickly try to bring the focus to the last month's performance and current month's performance. So the bottom chart will give you those details, which clearly shows A2 and A1 has a reduced sales. S1, S2, P2, P1 were able to increase their sales. However, the volume of sales brought by A1 and A2 still brings the largest chunk of business that your team does. The next section will give you the relative growth of each of the salesperson. As you can see, the top 4 are showing tremendous growth, P1, P2, S2, S1, and hence the performance is with a smiling face. And A1 and A2, there is a dip in their performance, and as a result, the performance shows a sad face. Furthermore, we would like to capture some more data. We'd like to highlight, although the growth of A1 and A2 are negative, they still bring the top sales volume for the team. The other salesperson have increased their performance and they are now contributing significantly to the overall sales of the team. We would also like to draw attention to some of the conclusion that you have drawn based on the data. So in this case, we'll highlight cross-stream sessions would be a good idea to have so that team can learn from each other and leverage the best practices in their own areas to achieve their targets. We'd also like to highlight the next steps that we are planning. So we are planning for a month-to-month sales growth of 20% in the coming month. And we are going to strategize further on our pricing, volume, discount, and customer demographics to devise new strategies to meet a growth of 20% or more in the coming months. Finally, we would like to conclude with some of our recommendations. In this case, we'll recommend a performance bonuses for A1 and A2 for consistently bringing the top sales volume, and P1 for achieving the topmost performance growth in this month. These exercises will continue to motivate our teams to give their best in the field. And since we are closing the year and we are in the holiday season, we are wrapping up this email wishing our executive and their dear ones a happy and prosperous and safe holiday season. With that, I will wrap up today's short video. Hope you liked it. See you next time. Bye-bye.